What's up, everybody? We just got back from our tour and our house is completely empty of food. Me and CJ are the only ones that are still gonna be at the house and we need food. So we're gonna go to Sprouts because they have gluten-free and dairy-free stuff. 30-minute drive, so it's quite a bit, but it's worth it because they have a lot of good food. Let's go!
Get into papaya and I would flavor it.
It's cold. I gave it back. I don't know if avocado is. So we'll eat that probably like 3 times. Can we get the 2 tuna steaks? There's so many dairy-free yogurts.
They have a protein one? Getting an organic.
The thing I love the most about Sprouts is they have so many gluten-free options. I eat gluten-free and dairy-free just for health reasons. I have a bunch of digestive issues and all of that fun stuff. It's not by choice. I mean, it's kind of by choice. They have a lot of those like snacks, and I love snacks, and I love snacking. So gluten-free snackers, I love it so much. Bananas.
We are home. It looks like a lot,
It's because it is. We have a very large family that eats like a literal vulture. Like, this will be gone in a week. So we're gonna put everything up into our fridge.
And we gotta clean the kitchen.
We do, okay, that's a you job. Alright, first thing, we got some cherries. Cherries are the bomb. We got some gravy. We wash our fruit like when we go to eat it. So we're not gonna wash right now because it's just gonna get all slimy and stuff.
I'm gonna eat my lychee and pickles.
CJ is a little stressed. CJ tried to cross the traffic.
Yeah.
She didn't turn her blinker on. I kept saying, CJ, turn your blinker on. Got some spinach. Bok choy. Bok choy is so good. Some mushrooms. I literally, for some reason, really wanted mushrooms, so I'm gonna cook these. Oh, we got tuna, and it looks so fresh. Shh. So I'm gonna make tuna. I was gonna make rice and mushrooms, but I don't know about the rice because that takes 45 minutes, and I have to stream. We got some strawberries. Yeah. So we got this stuff and green beans. So good. I think this is a fry. I think we got this. Got some dairy-free cheese sticks. These are actually so good. And then we got some dairy-free butter. These are really good snacks. I actually haven't tried this, but I like this brand, so I got these. We got some egg whites and then some milk. But I don't know where this milk is gonna go. I should put water on it first. Boom! We got some eggs. I'll eat a lot of these suckers. So you got some mango pops. Honestly, I'm gonna put the dino nuggies in here. Usually Mom hates when we do that, but sorry Mom. I also have frozen berries. I'm gonna put these in my yogurt. Ooh, and these. This is the HU brand, so I wanted to try their chocolate chips. We got some chicken. We got tendies and breasts to make. And then this is our fish. We got salmon and tuna. Ooh, it looks so clean. Salsa can go up here. And then kimchi and beets can go up here. Got these fish sticks. I haven't tried them yet, but I saw them on tour and wanted to try them. So here we are. Potatoes can go over and up the potatoes. I got this drink, Olippops. I've seen everyone in LA is drinking them, and we don't have them here, so I wanted to try them. Try it while we're unloading them. That is bomb. What in the world? Supports digestive health? That is good. Probably a lie, but we got blueberries. It's like a little jungle. Sunflower butter. I don't think this has to be refrigerated. This I'm very excited for. Nope. This. I love honey mustard, and so I got this. It's a like not terrible for you. We'll see. We got mangoes and apples. Do you keep your apples refrigerated or warm? We got limes. Limes I think are gonna have to stay out. We got some oranges. This thing is full of fruit and veggies, which I love. Brussels sprouts, which are also so good. We got yogurt, dairy-free and non-dairy-free because some of us can't have dairy. We got some coleslaw mix, celery, green onions, and cucumbers. Turkey bacon because I like turkey bacon way better. CJ likes regular bacon. This is CJ's soap. I don't think this brought any of this. None of this has to be refrigerated. These can go in the refrigerator. We don't refrigerate our bananas either. These have to be refrigerated for sure. My zinnias, which I love severely, will go outside. I think that's it for the fridge, but there's a few more other things I want to show. I got gluten-free flour. I wasn't sure if we had any. Gluten-free oats. And then I got these two. I've never heard of the company. I've never tried it. It's a pancake and baking mix and then a brownie mix. And they're sugar-free and gluten-free. Everything that I can eat. So I want to try them and see if they're good. I don't have any of the sugar alcohols that end in like OSE. So I want to see if they're good and get them more often. That is all that we got for our being away for 2 months and restocking. All right, again, we are a huge family and we eat a lot, so this is a lot of food, but it'll be gone in like a week or so. None of it's going to waste, and we're definitely going to eat it all, and it's gonna taste really good because I'm a good cook. If you want to join any of my cooking streams, I'm doing cooking streams on my Twitch, which is on the screen. I also play games and drum and do a bunch of other stuff, so if you want to come check it out, definitely do so. Join that Ludawissy, subscribe, like the video, check out all my other social media, and like this video if you like food, because food is good, and who doesn't like food? Okay, everyone have a good rest of your day. Goodbye!